Here's the truth. If I only show up when I feel like it, I'll never get what I want. Most people don't fail because of ability. They fail because of inconsistency. They start strong, then stop when the motivation fades. Motivation is a spark, not fuel. Discipline is fuel. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, regardless of mood. So let's make this simple. I'm going to give you a practical blueprint to build real discipline and a real side hustle mindset. Step 1. Set a daily minimum, not a perfect day. A minimum. 10 minutes of learning, 1 page written, 1 email sent, 1 rep. Make it so easy it's almost embarrassing to skip. Step 2. Show up at the same time every day. Same chair, same app, same trigger. I don't wait to feel ready. I start the timer and begin. Step 3. Track it. A simple calendar with X's. A tiny spreadsheet. If I see a gap, I close it today. Here's the secret. Consistency before intensity. Start small, 1 habit at a time. Build momentum over time. Now, side hustles. Don't chase quick money. Chase skills that print money for the next 10 years. Think CDL driving, content creation, technical knowledge. These always pay off. CDL path? Week 1 to 2. Study your permit. 30 minutes daily. Use an app. Week 3 to 6. Book a school. Get seat time. Practice daily drills. Week 7 plus. Start applying. Deliver value on time, every time. Content creation? 90-day sprint. Daily minimum, 1-piece, short clip. Social post. Script paragraph. Choose a niche you can talk about endlessly. Fitness, finance, fixing trucks. Batch on Sundays. Ship Monday to Saturday. Iterate, don't hesitate. Technical skills? Pick 1 lane. Basic IT, analytics, web dev, AI tools. Daily minimum, 45 minutes. Build 1 tiny project per week. By week 8, you've got a portfolio that sells you. Rules that make this work. Environment beats willpower. Put your tools where you work. Remove distractions. Time block the first hour of the day. Phone on airplane. Timer on. Make failure expensive. Tell a friend. Set a small stake. Use an app. Build a boring checklist. Study. Practice, publish, review, repeat. When motivation dips, I use a 3-part reset. 1. Drop the bar. Do the tiniest version today. 2. Change the scene. New cafe, new playlist, new route. 3. Reconnect to why. I write 1 sentence. I'm doing this so future me doesn't have to beg for options. Success isn't the big day. It's 1,000 ordinary days done well. Set your daily minimum. Commit to 90 days. Show up daily. That's the whole game. If you're in, comment daily and your skill. I'll see you tomorrow, because we're showing up, no matter what.